salon for the dogs or cats. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you to one of the biggest market in Thonburi, guys, and it's so exciting market here. So before we going inside, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's go. Hey guys, so this market is located in Tawi Watana, Thonburi, Bangkok, and I couldn't imagine it's really huge like in Chatuchak Market, if you know that. Yeah, they have so many stuff selling here, including clothing, plantations, many things, guys. You couldn't imagine. Even, yeah, I saw many animals also sold here. So okay, let's just check it out and follow me, guys. The first part, I'm gonna show you the plantation area, which is so many flowers and plantations sold here, guys. Do you know what is this? What is this, guys? I saw so many coffee shops and restaurants. They have this kind of leaves and plantations hanging on the wall or hanging from the rooftop, so it's kind of beautiful. You see here also have some kind of flowers. It's really nice, like this for example. So they put the plants on the like water. Seems so green and beautiful. And here there are some cactus from small until the big one, and also have some colors like red, yellow. Wow, so beautiful. So from the small one, it's only 3 pieces for 100 baht only, guys. It's so cheap. Oh, this is fake flowers, but over here are real, guys. Wow, I wish to have them in my home. It looks so beautiful. Guys, I'm entering the jungle. Look at, woo. It's like jungle, guys. It's so green, right? Do you like plantations? Do you like flowers? Yes, I do like, but sometimes I can't keep it in my room because I keep going out and I keep traveling. So yeah, I just don't want the flowers or the plantation to be died because of I couldn't give them water. Wow, it's so green. gonna show you the part of animal, guys. Fishes, birds, and everything are here. So let's check it out. I feel like I'm entering a big or a giant aquarium, guys. So many fishes are here. Not only fish, but they are selling also the plants underwater, like this. So your aquarium will not be just only fish, but you can keep some plants inside it, like this. So if you don't like to have the real plants in your aquarium, you can also have the fake flowers of the black plants here, guys. Wow, it's so interesting, guys, to see so many different fishes there. I love fish, but to eat, not to keep them in my room. Oh, they're also selling here dresses or clothes for dog, guys. It's so cute. Or for cats. They are sleeping. I guess these bones for dogs or cat, I don't know. Hi, cutie, cutie. Wow. Salon. This is salon for the dogs or cats. So cute. So yeah, if you have any pets, you can just bring here. gonna show you part of the home decoration or DIY for your furniture at home. Let's go. So yeah, here are so many baskets that you can put in your house. So beautiful. And fake flowers here. Wow, this is full of fake flowers, but it's really beautiful. You can also keep it in your house to make your house colorful. And these are some local art. Oh, for the lamps. Do you like to put this in front of your door? So every time you have guests or you open the door, it will be ringing. This market is really huge. I couldn't walk all over the market. It's really nice actually, but yeah, I need to go somewhere else. So I think if you are in Bangkok, you should come here, guys. Instead of you are only going to the Chatuchak Market, you can also come here in THONBURI if you have any transportations, okay? Because it's quite far, like 20 kilometers from the Bangkok city. Yeah. So definitely it's worth to visit and it's worth to come and buy so many stuff here, guys. Guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you like it, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.